Hi everyone, welcome back to Smart Kitchen channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer. This is a versatile and innovative appliance that can help you prepare delicious and healthy meals for your family or guests. It has many features and functions that make it stand out from other air fryers on the market. First, let's talk about the features that set the Ninja DZ071 apart. This air fryer boasts a whopping 7-quart MegaZone, which means you can cook larger proteins or entire meals to feed your whole family, all in one basket. The FlexBasket itself is where the magic happens. You can choose to use the basket divider to cook with two 3.5-quart baskets, perfect for foods with different cooking times, or remove it for a full 7-quart capacity for those big meals. Now, let's discuss the cooking options. The Ninja DZ071 doesn't stop at air frying. It offers a total of 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. This means you can do so much more than just air fry, making it a versatile kitchen companion. So, how does it perform? Well, here's the exciting part. DualZone technology allows you to cook 2 different foods in 2 ways at the same time. Plus, the Smart Finish feature ensures both items finish cooking simultaneously. No more worrying about timing your dishes to come out together. And if you prefer to sync the settings across both zones, there's a match cook option too. The heating system in the Ninja DZ071 is impressive. It includes dual coil heaters, one on each side, and a heavy-duty metal fan. When you power it up, it's not overwhelmingly loud, but you can definitely hear the powerful airflow at work, which is crucial for effective air frying. The first dish we tried was fried okra, and it turned out crispy and delicious. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The basket section is incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to remove, thanks to the side handles, and the insides are relatively easy to clean. The non-stick crisper plates are dishwasher safe, and that's always a win in the kitchen. One thing to keep in mind is that this air fryer doesn't have a small footprint. It will take up about as much counter space as a small microwave oven, so make sure you have room for it. However, its performance and versatility certainly make up for the space it occupies. Overall, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi air fryer seems to be a winner in many kitchens. Users praise its performance, ease of use, and versatility. It's great for cooking a variety of dishes, from crispy favorites to healthier options, with less fat. However, some users do mention a limitation when it comes to cooking different items simultaneously without an auto-calculate feature. In conclusion, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 DualZone FlexBasket Air Fryer offers a powerful and versatile solution for your cooking needs. If you're looking for an air fryer that can handle a range of dishes, from small to large, and provide convenience with DualZone technology, it's definitely worth considering. Just be mindful of the counter space it occupies and the need to manually adjust cooking times when using both baskets. That's it for today's review of the Ninja DZ071 Foodi air fryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen product reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!